So guys, today I'm gonna be teaching my little sister. I mean my little cousin how to play Subway Surfer. Here you go. Go down. Yeah. You should have not get something. That golf thing. Okay. Okay.